will chairman Abronya, those people, Abronya, consider the region Asama one MP. You people are still talking.
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV. So, but I'm this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de nti Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka asem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko is here.
Big party to opposition. Shut up unless if we have say yanya per se ye adwuma free party money ye adwuma no wo betuma ye adwuma no wo kofa wo chairman Abronya and those people Abronya consider the region Asama one MP. You people are still talking. Mutia ye dia banyan ya ye adwuma de mo abo aban mu one day medenya ne ye na ya catch judge so Eyy Kwame A-plus. And ye can the Japan plane fi America ba yanko mu jeli me sa no pa no. Can Japan say Kwame me jam me bia me bia no bagan. If no can no me kasa won. No me bro how no can no me can. I put my personal interest aside and say I will listen to this man. Don't be silly. It is because of that man. I say Kwame, I'm stopping everything. We will see share senators be waha me kati bibia. I will be in Ghana tomorrow morning before you go to court. And the man came just to ensure that I'm fine. It is honorable can frame here. Say oh yeah NDC you can make something we are trying to say you have to be grateful. Go and listen to what the man has to say. But at this point in it goes beyond my personal interest and what somebody has done for me. It is in the interest of the people of Goma Central. That is the reason why I was having a communication with Honorable Ken. I think I cannot even find the phone and find for me because or mean I'm in here and they have done me bad, they have done me dirty. Of Goma Central. That is the reason why I was having a communication with Honorable Ken. I think I cannot even find the phone and find for me because or mean I'm in here and they have done me bad, they have done me dirty. Meneno, okay, it's fine. It's Honorable Ken Frebis and Mibiti, Honorable Ken Cansam Tremia, that's a kind of chinching crime. It says that's on Mintia. And yet, yes, sir, you always have to be grateful to people who have done you good. You always have to be grateful. It's just that, baby, I'm going to say, it goes beyond my personal interest. And the man has done all, he has made all the effort. He has contacted this, he has done this. He has got, he was going to ensure say, a certain number, even all the 4 independent candidates to join you. Whether it is going to do what or what, no. He's also doing his part to make sure, say, party now, he will create a certain strong base foundation. Now you can say, party making a revival, Papa Yegman also, your concept. Papa Yegman also, your concept.
There has been consistent reports say Enubone Afagana airport aqua bruchire internationally yenim say money laundering but be a taifa airport smuggling kese any other mean trafficking business airports enam all over the world enti yebusa hopsi adoye okodi Enubone ho adwuma na ne pamu ni free ho okoye money laundering ana ne pamu ni free ho okoye bibi katasoshe ne pamu ni free wanda kufuado ana se Hobson wanye bibia na ne hu ahi ne hu ofe ana ne dwumade no dibro so enti ne pamu ni free ho no mayesre wampani mahama mayihu ti so manwe accountability ayade a ehiaye transparency yade a yemfa ni agro If you say pese hu bibia mu frenchem ni ehu nipa ese efata se krowe mu akwanya ba eba mo madi ne manim as hopes andoye so se fata se otimi edi bibia no mu krowe mu a osore no gina yesu ata nachi as o se onse so mfata se kroyi mu odi bibia ni mu a se wantwi kanana ni kululu bi ewo ne ho a eno so sorry ya kacha say abrante tenase onse mfata enti mo NDC for so mo say probity and accountability enti saa maade no momfa mu owura Obusandoye eho nkonta yen hwehwe mu maye mo hwehwe nneema mu maye mo hwehwe Obusandoye nneema mu maye eho hia ye. It's for God and country.
Obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one my sense form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adaje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president e ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show nsama wo buye wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo ma wo be di 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchira ye sama wo mra se a wo be twa 12 good years. Wo tumi nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he Efri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada o ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyi nani efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mun kwa mo party. Me say balok di we chi no. Ghana for ansha. This 2 years aka ahuhie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no. Esum bi mbada. Esu bi mbada o.
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars W0ntumi's goal biom
P0wer ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wo di be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency. Aye, yeah, the World Cup na be fie. Brasters ya she goes say woto. E bin see that.
What be man ko foforo? Won fa ma assembly. Won fa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako hwe sako shi ta. Nso tonshina baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo pad. Saka wide. Udu se pad na be ye bibia mo. It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow on my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party. KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, ma mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you W0ntumi's man say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo mamu kinki, amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the W0ntumi's mama could not encanfo mu gafo catch up say, oh, gafo de oh, na mo de onye kinki na mu hia utilization bia. And I gafo say okay, you better ba na ma boom 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 boom. Mo to ba ma kinki government it me
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye about council of state member voter region. Na me say fiam hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onye
Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.